All right, we got this really nice OIWAS rolling backpack for your laptop. This is going to be great for traveling, but even if you're just going to school or whatever, maybe you're just going to the coffee shop, this is great. But specifically for traveling, I mean, you can hold a lot of stuff in here as well as your laptop. This thing's amazing. As you can see, the backpack straps, they are hidden right now. They're inside this pouch. I'll show you at the end, as well as the handle right here. It's hidden in here. I'll show you that at the end as well. Let's just do a quick run through of the entire backpack. So a lot of storage space here. So I'm going to come in. I'm going to start just in the front. Right here, you got this nice little pocket right here. There's a little space even up in here, in that pocket, that goes down to here. Let's close that one up. Let's open this one up. Another pocket right here goes all the way down to the bottom, down to right here, as well as got a little bit of space up here. So as you can see, you can just hold a lot of stuff right there. Let's come in here. Let's open up the next pouch will be this one right here. And as you can see, a lot of storage space in there, all the way down to the bottom here. But then you've also got these vibes in here. Two separate vibes right here that you can put stuff in here. So that's amazing. Let's close that one up. Then we can come in the next pouch, which is a little bit deeper. In this pouch, a lot of storage space in here. You got this nice little Velcro vibe right here and here on both sides. The best part is you got the laptop storage space right here. This is where you're going to put your laptop. And it's nice and padded on the front, nice and padded on the back. So you can keep your laptop nice and protected in this pouch. Closes up right here. There's a Velcro spot right here as well as right here. Going to close that up. And as you can see, there's a nice little design element in there with some planes, sort of like a map type vibe in there, which I really like. And you've also got this vibe in here, if I can see it right here. There's this vibe right in here. All right, let's go ahead and close this pouch up. And we'll keep moving on. And let's actually, before we even go to the back, let's open up this pouch right here on the side. Perfect pouch for your phone. Fits your phone or something else along that size. But right there, close that one up. And then you've got another one, this same exact pouch right here. So perfect for your phone or something along about that size. Now, let's come in. You know what I want to show you? Just a nice vibe, nice basic design. Got the nice little logo right here. Let me just lean this up right here. Nice logo vibe going on right there. Let's go ahead. And then you've got the wheels right here at the bottom, which I'll show you in just a second. Let's go ahead and let's take the backpack straps out. So we're going to undo the back area right here. And once it gets undone, you can pull out the backpack straps right here. And this is my first time actually connecting, but you can go ahead and you can just connect this strap right here. It connects right here to this connector piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to connect that, and I'm going to come over to this side. I'm going to do the exact same thing. This connector piece from the strap, going to connect it, and now you've got, let me do this. And here we are right here. I got it on. So very easy to use. I love how the straps are hidden, but dude, this thing's amazing. This thing's great. And it even has this little strap that comes across the front right here that you don't need to wear. I mean, you don't need to wear it. You could easily just do it like that. But that's great. Now, let's come in here. Let's actually put these away, which I'll show you. Let's just show you how easy these are to put away really quick. You're going to undo the strap right here. Let's undo it on the other side as well. And we just flip the straps in here. Close that up. There we go. Now let's pull out the roller vibe. We're going to undo this right here. Press the button of the handle. Comes right out. Angle this down. As you can see, this thing's great. I mean, this is going to be perfect for traveling, but even if you're going to school, just a really great bag, and I highly recommend it to you. OIWAS.